y'all, I am currently headed to go and get my locks retwist. This is the before. And then I can come back after and let you guys see what it looks like. Because Easter is around the corner and I have to get this done. So stay tuned. Hey y'all, I just got to my hair appointment. I'll see you guys when I get out. Hey y'all, I'm back. Like I told you, I was going to tune back in once I got my hair completed. So my hair is finished and I'm going to insert a video of the outcome. Hopefully when I get back home, I will open and unbox the tripod and let you guys see that as well. But until next time, I'll be back. Hey y'all, I'm back. Like I said, I was going to show you the tripod as soon as I get home. This is a tripod. I got this from Staples. It was about $16. Apparently, it has a 3-way fluid pan handle with a bud level, quick release mount, elevated center column, a center column brace, 3-section channel leg locks, rubber feet, free carry case, and it has a 50-inch extension. And it's only like 3 pounds or so. So we're gonna open it up and see what it's really about. Mind you, I don't really go to Staples like that, but they actually have some nice things in there for content creators. I actually like that it comes with a bag. Comes in handy. So I guess that's about the tall as it can go. So I guess like this. So it's really not that tall. It's really not that tall. But if I was to use it for I guess that's all. Oh, nice. So I'm going to try to see if I can hook my phone onto here. And I'll be right back. Give me a minute. Okay, y'all. So unfortunately, this did not come with an adapter for my phone. I will have to either order a piece, the adapter to connect my phone. I could take it back, or I can just get one that comes with it. Honestly, I don't think I'm going to keep it because it doesn't come with an adapter, and I would need an adapter to put my phone on there. But that was the unboxing. I'm like highly disappointed because I bought it because I thought that it came with one. But that's it. That's the unboxing. I'm going to actually put this back And then I'm going to see and decide what I'm going to do with it. But that's the end of today's video. I'll see you guys next time.